What's up, YouTube? Welcome back, everyone. So Jude watched the video on installing this. I think the guy was in his garage doing it, right?
Yeah.
Looked like it. He definitely didn't show that he needed to clearance this a little bit to get this to install. So we actually painted it the same color as the factory paint underneath. And what happens with this, I don't even know what it's called, intercooler. Do you know what it's called?
No.
So it's got these tabs in the back that have to go in and up on something else, which is the AC condenser, I guess. I don't even know.
The attachment for it.
Yeah, and probably the jig that they use, you know, just like anything else in mass production, just isn't accurate. So we couldn't get this just to hook in with this bit of material here. So we notched it out, color matched it.
Somewhat.
That's pretty close, dude. I mean,
Yeah, for a rattle can, yeah.
Ready? Look. Do you look at it like that? So this intercooler is wider and has a better flow than the one that was on here, even though it was upgraded. This vehicle also had an upgraded intercooler, so I guess this factory one was on here. Someone installed this one over here. Yeah, and then the current owner has the car, so this one had tabs instead of the hooks that go on the factory one. But
honestly, this was a lot easier than even the...
Absolutely. But this doesn't flow. Like, you see how it comes into it here, and then it has to do that. The other one has a nice flow pattern. And then the intercooler tubing that was on here was much better than the silicone hoses.
Somebody went under and actually put loose pipe in.
Yeah.
And TIG welded it.
Yeah. So
they even had
no, this is aluminum.
Yeah.
And it has the right brackets on it to prevent blow off. That was all silicone in those kits, right?
Yeah.
So
this was metal, but it was a smaller diameter than that one.
Yeah.
So it's just easier to leave this, and
this is much stronger and
higher quality.
Yeah, stronger. So this fits actually pretty well. It was a tight fit, that's for sure.
Yeah, but I mean, it's definitely gonna flow.
You can see it flows so much nicer, and it's probably an inch wider.
Oh, I would say 1.5 inches.
Yeah. But you have to take the whole car apart to do this job. Take the whole front of the car apart to do this job.
So,
nice work.
To swap them out. Remember to do that.
In the video, I seen the guy struggling with this, and he must have went back and edited it because he didn't say anything about. You remember when because it took him 3 tries to figure it out, and then he probably was like, "Well, I got to do something here," but he had to have notched it because there's no way you were getting that on with one person with the extra metal in the way. It was just too tight.
It's not structural. So I mean, it is part of the structure, but
This is what high performance is about.
Oh, literally, yeah.
Chop, cut, and rebuild.
You're gonna have to do it. So,
Thanks for watching.
throw it on and be like, oh yeah.